Is your heating or air conditioning system in need of repairs, maintenance, or an upgrade? Well then, HVAC Repair Pros can definitely help, because our licensed technicians specialize in heating and air conditioning repairs, HVAC installation, routine necessary maintenance, and duct cleaning and installation. And all brands are available, so you get the best heating and air conditioning service products on the market at a fair price. We have free in-home estimates, and our certified technicians are available 24/7 for any emergency that might come up. So, what are you waiting for? Give us a call right now, because we get the job done right the first time. HVAC Repair Pros.